okay, can you know? All right, you got it. When then I told myself, no, the one. All I hear that. I'm going to Mokobia. Something so precious to me, something that belongs to me, my inheritance. They oughtn't have now it to me, but they should make it. Please, can you help me? You know what you know? You know the pressure. Heritage bitters. I don't want them to collect it from me. Heritage bitters. Heritage herbal bitters. No benile. Eso? Anachiacho. It's on my way benile. Ya virus. O spray de la. Mbumanya. Hey. Azumunka na Lagos. Jini why na akpori acho dem ko ogwa. Ole buy now. Aba. Nkam nguru yesterday don we dem so nselo piano. Na aba here. Soro no wani. Oru ole benile nwanne. Anwu bele m ke wo onwu. Onwa. Can you help me hide it? So no need of me. Hide. Hey. Better give. This wedding today. Hey, God, God of me.
Oga, who do you this thing? Sorry, oh. Yeah, Papa. Papa, sorry. Sorry. Sorry, sir.
How do you like this now? Sorry. Sorry. Oga?
Okwaze maza, daddy G. Okwaze maza. Okwaze maza, daddy G. Okwaze maza. You tell me another thing, you do another thing. Okwaze maza. You tell me a different thing, you do another thing.
Mr. Man, I know you from somewhere. I know from Daddy G you are under ministry. I'm talking to you. I know this is the... Come down. I have unfinished business with you. Come down. Let's settle about every race here now. Come down.
Who are you to command a man of God to come down? Who are you?
I'm a prophet. Evangelist, ministration of the Most High God. Come down here. Okay, come down. I will deal with you now with spiritual battle. Come down. I have something to settle with you. Don't run. Come down. Okay, you can go. Start this now. Okay, go. Okay, go. I will set you. Okay, say go. I will try. I will pass on my question. I'm not about so. I will pass. When the devil will come at your door, you run away to them.
Monday, this want to keep for my time. Are you not seeing this? It's kingdom against kingdom.
Like, seriously?
Churches against churches.
Like, seriously?
Prophets against prophets. They want to keep my time, but they want to keep my time.
Let's go.
I better get my slippers.
Let's go. That's you.
I won't want you again to leave that promises family. See that your permanent site. I need you to evacuate from that places. And this should be my last warning. This should be my last warning. Because when they ordained me, they didn't ordain you. You don't know how I started my living. Be warned, and I won't want you again.
Lord of Jesus. Psalm 37 verse 47. The Lord is my shepherd. The Lord is my shepherd. And I shall not want. He made me to lie down in the green pasture. He delivered me from the occultic men of this world. Wow. The Lord is my shepherd. 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 I cover myself with the blood of Jesus. This is what we go through. They come in the spiritual world and they still come in the physical world. Can you fight for God? Are you meant to fight for God? God should fight for himself. You are not meant to fight for him. For that reason, disease from anything that will cause you harm. Why is he following me around? Is it a crime that I bought a land for the service of God? Also, may evacuate. The Lord remains my shepherd. The Lord remains my shepherd. The Lord remains my shepherd.